Well, on 4th of July morning, I was checking out Facebook Marketplace looking for some CDs, and I saw this advertisement, 100 plus discs for $100. Place is only about 10 minutes away from me, so I messaged the seller and arranged a meeting at his house. It went very well. Let's take a look. The deal is done, $100 cash. All the discs look to be in fantastic condition. We'll get into some detail when I get home, but I've been selling the CDs for some good money. And at $1 a piece, I'm going to make a lot of money on this. There's several I looked up comps, sold comps, where they sold for over $10. All right, well, so far very happy with this purchase. $100. Build is over 100 discs. I'll count them when I get inside, but it definitely looks like a substantial amount. Nice and neatly put into this little Home Depot box here. Some great titles, a lot of newer stuff, quote unquote newer 90s CDs, which actually I don't have really anything from 90s. I'm much more of a 60s, 70s guy, but that's all right. They will sell. Most of them have barcodes from what I looked at. And again, the guy was really detailed, which I appreciated, in his Facebook Marketplace listing. Had many pictures of the CDs. So what I did is I just looked up some quick comps, like I mentioned on the drive in. So anyway, let's get back home. We'll take a look at what's in this box, and I will start listing these bad boys and make some money. I'll see you in a little bit. We are back home. I just counted out the CDs. There's the 100. So we did get 100 in great shape, clean. I don't even think I need to replace the cases on 90% of them, which is really a good thing. There was some duds in here, which I know, similarly to when you buy postcard lots, you know, you expect a certain portion to be junk, but you're hoping for some gold. There's the solid 100, so there's $1 a piece, right? $100. This stack, however, kind of annoys me. This whole stack is the same situation where you have the album cover and then you have like a homemade disc inside of it. That's not cool. You know what I mean? So you have the Green Day disc, but then you have the homemade CD inside. You have an empty paper here. You have a Steve Miller Band without a cover. You have a bunch of homemade discs. And this is probably like maybe, I don't know, 15, 20 more of those. But that's okay. I will give this to my daughter's boyfriend, who's a young man who's into all this music. And then there is this also small population, which is even more aggravating, including a Zeppelin disc, where there's no disc inside. You see gray. All of these have no disc inside. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about this. I might write the guy, but I don't want to be a jerk. I mean, it was sold as is and all that, but this is a pretty decent portion. You figure here's another 10 of them or something, where we have covers without a disc inside. You know, including Fair Warning, which is a great album, no disc. Stevie Ray, great album, no disc. Live and learn. I'm very happy about the 100 that I did get, and there's some good ones. This Jimmy Page with the Black Crowes is a great album. This goes for pretty good money. I'll put some comps up in the video, as a matter of fact. There's several like that are kind of cool. You can see you got your grunge stuff, you got your quote-unquote classic rock, you got Flamin' Lips, you got all kinds of stuff. System of a Down, that was almost new. Even got some rap kind of stuff, or whatever you want to call that, R&B stuff. Chili Peppers again, Puddle of Mud, Big Audio, Counting Crows. Got a little jazz with Herbie. The Cardigans, great stuff. So I'm going to get these listed ASAP, and I'll report in with future videos about how we did with sales. But $100 in. Here's my 100 CDs that are sellable, and here are the ones that are just a loss for now. Cost of doing business. I will be back shortly, everybody. Thanks for checking in. Bye-bye.